I'm in Warsaw, where thousands are chasing the European dream, only to hit a new, invisible wall. A hidden change in Poland's work permit system is causing mass rejections, and most applicants have no idea why. Agents promise smooth processing, but even perfect-looking applications are being denied. The real reason? Poland now uses a powerful digital verification system, cross-checking every detail in real time. Old tricks, fake documents, recycled job offers are instantly exposed. There's no official warning, no embassy alert, just a surge in rejections and confusion. This is your wake-up call. The rules have changed, quietly but completely. We'll break down what's happening, why so many are failing, and how you can avoid the trap. Your European dream isn't over, but you need to understand the new reality. Forget shortcuts. Only authentic, verifiable applications stand a chance now. Let's dive into the details and show you how to survive Poland's new work permit landscape. Stay alert. Your future depends on it. Here's the truth your agent won't tell you. Poland now checks every work permit through a central EU database. Authorities can instantly see if your employer is real, if your job offer is recycled, or if your application matches dozens of others. The old agent scams, fake companies, copied contracts, are now easily caught. Agents who built their business on loopholes are obsolete, but many still sell false hope. If your application fails the new digital checks, it's rejected, no matter what your agent promised. Don't trust anyone who guarantees success or blames rejections on bad luck. The system is automated, ruthless, and designed to expose fraud. You need to know the real rules to have any chance. Poland's secret weapon is a cross-border verification network, linking business, tax, and immigration records across the EU. Officials check if your employer is real, active, and compliant, and if your job offer has been used before. Shell companies and recycled offers are flagged instantly. The system also checks if your name is linked to past visa fraud or overstays. Every application is scored for risk, too many red flags, and you're out. It's a data-driven crackdown on agent scams and fake jobs. Your application is no longer judged in isolation. It's part of a continent-wide pattern search. Only genuine, well-matched applications survive this scrutiny. The new system is ruthless. Most rejections fall into 3 traps. First, fake or recycled job offers. If your agent can't prove the job is real, you're doomed. Second, suspicious salaries or contracts. Offers below market rates or with vague terms are flagged as scams. Third, illogical career jumps. If your experience doesn't match the job, the system assumes fraud. The days of slipping through with weak paperwork are over. If your agent is vague, the salary is too low, or the job doesn't fit your background, walk away. The system is designed to catch these tricks and reject them automatically. Save your money and time for a real opportunity. Only strong, logical, and legal applications stand a chance. Don't gamble with your future. Is it still possible to get a Polish work permit? Absolutely, but only for genuine applicants. Poland's economy needs foreign workers, but the process is now strict and transparent. The government isn't closing doors, just filtering out fraud. You must verify every detail yourself. Don't rely on agents. Research your employer, check the salary, and make sure your skills match the job. If an agent promises a guarantee, that's a red flag. Success now requires preparation, honesty, and diligence. The opportunity is real, but shortcuts are dead. Treat your application like a professional project. Authenticity is your only ticket in. Protect yourself with these steps. First, verify your employer's KRS or NIP number on official Polish sites. Check if the company is active and legitimate. Avoid new or suspicious businesses. Demand original, verifiable documents. Never accept photocopies or altered permits. Confirm the salary meets or exceeds Poland's legal minimum. Beware of agents who demand full payment up front or promise guaranteed success. Ask for references, check reviews, and trust your instincts. If you're unsure, seek help from professionals who can verify your documents. Don't risk your savings on a doomed application. In this new system, vigilance is essential. Your future depends on authentic paperwork and careful checks. The Polish work permit game has changed, permanently. The new EU system exposes every lie, every shortcut, every fake job. You must become your own investigator, verify employers, check documents, and never trust empty promises. Real opportunities withstand scrutiny, scams fall apart under the new checks. Use official sources, not social media rumors. Treat your application with the seriousness it deserves. Your future is at stake. The path to Poland is open, but only for the diligent and honest. Learn from others' mistakes, stay informed, and don't let hope blind you to risk. Next time, we'll uncover the visa challenges in Hungary. Stay tuned.